How can I reinstall Windows 7 if I lost my installation DVD? Possible duplicate. Where do I download Windows 7 legally from Microsoft? I have lost my Windows 7 installation DVD, but I do have the license key. How can I get a Windows 7 DVD? Can I download an ISO image somewhere? While installing, can I use my original Windows 7 key?
Update. Sadly, someone at Microsoft has discovered this backdoor into their ISO library and plugged it. The links to the ISOs no longer function. I am leaving this question up for historical purposes. Digital River is the distribution company Microsoft uses for its digital downloads. This site has aggregated a list of the files they use for when distributing downloads, here for SB1. I have used it before but not recently, however the links should still be good. Your license key will work as long as you download the same edition, Home Premium/Professional/Ultimate, as your key corresponds to. The architecture, 64-bit versus 32-bit, and language do not matter with activation. Windows 7 RTM. 32-bit Windows 7 Home Premium. 64-bit Windows 7 Home Premium. 32-bit Windows 7 Professional. 64-bit Windows 7 Professional. Windows 7 SP1. 32-bit Windows 7 Home Premium. 64-bit Windows 7 Home Premium. 32-bit Windows 7 Professional. 64-bit Windows 7 Professional. 32-bit Windows 7 Ultimate. 64-bit Windows 7 Ultimate.
To help verify that your downloads of the Digital River ISOs are good, below are the SHA-1 hashes for the ISOs, copied from Microsoft TechNet. Each link is a permalink to the corresponding TechNet page from which I got the hash. I've personally downloaded all the ISOs and verified the hashes. Windows 7 RTM.
As described in this Microsoft KB article, if it is a retail copy, you have the following recourse. To request replacement hardware or software, contact the Microsoft Supplemental Parts team at the appropriate contact number that is provided in the contact information section. You must be in possession of the product, if it is damaged or defective, and be able to provide proof of purchase. The customer service representative will advise you of any replacement costs or shipping and handling fees that may be charged. If a product is no longer under warranty, the replacement item may no longer be available. If it is an OEM copy, then they advise you to contact your OEM for the replacement disc instead.
If you want to do something possible, please consider subscribing.